Welcome to the Apple Farm Inn in San Luis Obispo, California. Come with us as we explore and answer the question, is this hotel worth the stay? This is the beautiful lobby and check-in area. As you come in, they will ask you how many people are with you and they will give you free chocolate chip cookies. Let's take a look at our suite. This suite features 3 beds, 1 queen and 2 full. So as we walk in, you can see this is the first sleeping area / living area, complete with the queen bed. We have our first TV here that's mounted above the gas fireplace. Much like many other hotel rooms, this hotel room features a microwave, as well as a mini fridge with 2 complimentary bottles of water. This is the first closet space with hangers. Something we all really enjoyed about this hotel room is their unique bathroom. Check out this color scheme. We have baby blue walls with that beautiful beige tile and it just looks amazing. They have their soap dispensers right over here and a beautiful sink with all the toiletries you're gonna need. This room features 2 full-size beds. It also has its own television and closet space. This is their pool area and it was one of the highlights of our stay. They have plenty of pool toys to keep the kids, both young and old, entertained. Need to relax? Well, there's also a hot tub available. As a family of 5, we really appreciated how quiet and serene the surrounding areas were. They also had plenty of parking. Make sure you check in with the front desk because they also do on-site wine tasting here at the garden room. We cannot forget to mention how beautiful this hotel is at night. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay and we think this is the perfect family hotel if you're going to be visiting the San Luis Obispo area. Stay tuned for final ratings and thoughts.